Guys, if you have not introduced beard butter into your beard care routine, then what are you doing? It's one of the best beard care products you will ever put into your fine beards. So let's just talk about what beard butter is and how you can use it. So for me, beard butter is by far the best beard care product there is. It combines a beard oil in terms of all the conditioning and nourishment, and it also combines a beard balm in terms of giving the beard a good hold. I mean, I use my own product, Beardster's Chai Lemon Beard Butter, and it works through the skin and the beard beautifully. It gives an awesome matte finish. I don't know if you can tell, right now I'm wearing the Chai Lemon Butter, and it just makes the beard sit well under here, makes the mustache sit nicely. There's no wax or any other product in it right now, and it just gives a good scent. Beard butter is made up of natural oils and butters, but mainly butters, and we're going to focus on the butters. So things like shea butter, mango butter, argan butter, there is a thing, capachu butter, jojoba butters. There's so many different butters out there, and beard butters take those beautifully soft and pliable butters, mix a few different carrier oils, or maybe just one carrier oil in it, maybe something like a coconut, a hemp oil, a sweet almond oil, you know, the kind of things, and you mix that up, you melt it up, you cool it, you whip it. Some people don't whip it, they go in wrong straight away, and it leaves this beautiful, soft and wonderful product that you don't have to use too much of, and you can work it all across your skin, not just on your face, but on your arms, your hair. You can literally put it anywhere across your body. And like I said, beard butters are so simple to use. All you need to do is to just get one decent size scoop out. You can use a small amount and then work your way up to find out what works for you. I've been using a beard butter for quite some time now. I know what works for me, and you just lightly work it between the hands. And my advice is, don't work it completely into the hands. You want to still be able to see the product on your hands. You want to see the color of it, and you want to put that into the beard. Your beard will look a little bit off, a little bit weird, because you'll have product all over it. But if you are using a decent beard butter, all you'll have to do is work that gently in with your hands, get it all the way down to the skin, massage it in with the fingertips, and all that product will instantly disappear if they've got the beard butter right. And that's the easiest way to apply it. You almost mask it onto your face and onto your beard, and then you gently rub it in. Job is done. All you need to do then is just use your hands to sculpt it into place. Get that style you want. I don't use a brush. I think a brush detangles the hair too much, and what beard butter does, it like aggregates your beard. It clumps it up together nicely in a good way and gives you a lot more of a fuller sort of look. So for me, it's the best product you can be using, and I hope you guys found that useful. Let me know if you are using beard butter in your beard care routine. If you like the video, make sure you like, subscribe, and I'll see you very soon. Goodbye.